So we have a DMHWT8000NEX installed in this 2019 Toyota Avalon. And this is a very nice radio that's offered from Pioneer. It does come with a 10.1 inch screen. And some of the new features that's offered on this is a new chip that gives Dolby Atmos, which gives you spatial audio. And what that does is it immerses you in the music a little bit more. It gives you much more sound depth when it comes to music. So to turn on this feature, we're going to simply go into the settings, go into your audio settings, and then at this point we're going to see the stereo spatial sound off, so we can turn it on. And it does do a low, medium, and high, but for now we're just going to leave it on low. I am connected to CarPlay, so the source of music that I use, Apple Music, it will automatically play that in there as well. Put that through. So, at this point, any digital files that you listen to, typically most of the music sources that you listen to, they're going to be streamed in that Dolby Atmos. So you'll hear a much richer sound quality of music. So it's a very nice piece from Pioneer. You'll notice also the top of this does light up to let you know you can turn that on or off, but it goes according with the music as well. So it's a very nice piece. Again, this is the DMHWT8000NEX from Pioneer, new from Pioneer.